makes me laugh whenever I think about it. It's always easier said than done. Look at the fatal consequences emotion has. I hate those private schools she attends and Catholic boarding school she lives in. I am a lover, a daughter, a mother, and a fashion. Vera never came back. A few months later, I received a favorite F word. Flowers. Anyway. Feel